Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to blur your background when joining a Google Meet meeting using your camera. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Meet website right here. After opening a Google Meet guys, you'll go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting, as you can see right here clicking on this option, or you can go ahead and join an existing meeting using a code or a link. So guys, let's say that you are joining a new link code meeting. So what you want to do is go ahead and enter the code right here, and after that, now this will appear open. You can go ahead and click this join button right here guys, and after clicking on join, then this will take you to this page right here where you can preview your settings before joining the meeting. So guys, what you want to do is, you can see here, I will make sure my microphone is on and my camera is on. Currently I do not have a camera, so that's why you cannot see me. But guys, what you can do is go ahead and click this option right here in the lower right corner. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here. After clicking this option guys, now this will open up this new tab where you can see that you can edit the effects for your camera and that you're using for the meeting. And if you look at the right side of the screen guys, you can see that you can either add a new background, or you can go ahead and click these options right here that will blur your normal background. So you can choose to either slightly blur your background, or you can fully blur your background right here by clicking one of these options. And after that guys, you will successfully blur your camera, and then you can go ahead and join the meeting with your camera settings. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.